Yo, check it out. It looks like it came early. I was expecting this next week, so in a week's time. So this should be the Google Pixel 4. I didn't order that. Yeah, look at that. Google Store, great to meet you. Nice. I like the minimalistic packaging. Let's turn this around here and tear off the tabs on that side and this side as well. And just one moment. Alongside the trees they've wasted for all this paperwork, you've also got the SIM card tray eject tool. Now there's no SD card slot within this thing, so that tool will only be used to insert your SIM card. Nice simple little power adapter here, 3-pin of course for the UK as I'm in the United Kingdom. Now, as you can see, output 5 volts at 3 amps or 9 volts at 2 amps. Data transfer and charging lead, USB Type-C to USB Type-C. And the transfer adapter here looking nice and clean. Right, shh, and listen very carefully. How satisfying was that? I gotta admit, I was expecting it to be a little bit more orange than this. And as you can see, as I'm tilting it around, the orange color does kind of change. And it does so in person here as well, I'd say, not just on the camera. So it changes ever so slightly to kind of like a warm orange to a darker one, but not quite as orange as I expected. The I/O, first of all, it looks like it's got 3 cameras, but it hasn't. It's only got 2. The first one being 12.2 megapixels, which is a wide, and a telephoto, which is 16 megapixels with the dual LED flash just underneath it there. Along the top, you've got a microphone there. Along the side, you've got not so orange power button there, as well as a volume up and down buttons. Very tactile and clickety-clackety. Along the bottom, you've got the USB Type-C data transfer and charging port and a speaker. But I suspect their speaker is along the right-hand side. I don't think it's dual speakers. Along the left-hand side, this is where you've got the SIM card tray, and you can use the eject tool to push that out and insert your SIM card. You'll notice there's only 1 camera across the front. The Pixel 3 had 2 selfie cameras, but this one's only got 1, which is an 8 megapixel f2.0 wide camera. So looks pretty sleek indeed. I do like the banding. It's not slippery. It's a very grippy indeed. And this matte finish, yeah, that's very cool. Very, very cool indeed. You'll also notice the earpiece here. There's no other corresponding speaker down here. They've moved it to the bottom, and as I say, I think this one is a microphone along the left and the speaker is only along the right hand side, or vice versa, but definitely not both of these are speakers. Let's power this bad boy up. You would also notice there's no 3.5mm audio jack, and they didn't supply a USB Type-C to 3.5mm audio jack adapter out of the box this time. What's up with that, Google? And boom, we're in. You would have also noticed there's no fingerprint sensor on this thing on the back, or even in the screen. You don't have that at all. Google think you don't need it. So it's got face unlock. So if I just lock it here and do that, you'll notice it didn't pick anything up there, and you can see the sensors going crazy trying to find my face. But if I do that again and tilt that this way so you can see my face outside of where the camera is, boom, it goes straight in. How cool is that? But apparently you can open your phone even when you've got your eyes closed, so someone could lift it up while you're asleep. But hey, this is a regular Pixel 4 XL, so it's got a 2800 milliamp hour battery and that 90 Hz display though. Buttery smooth. I didn't think I'd notice, but you kind of can. And it's intelligent, so if you're not looking at it, it won't actually use the full 90 Hz. It'll scale down. So how cool is that? This is a 64GB storage variant, and it has 6 gigs of RAM, and this is going to be my daily driver. So do give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos on the Google Pixel 4 XL. So excited that it come a week early.